Welcome. Today we're looking at the GDS090H hydrophilic carbon paper from SCI Materials Hub. It features 0 MPL and delivers incredible liquid infiltration for your advanced energy storage. How does it work? We've deeply modified the surface, adding oxygen-rich polar groups like hydroxyl and carboxyl. These act as molecular anchors, massively boosting your electrolyte absorption. Just look at this comparison. While traditional carbon paper repels liquid, the GDS090H completely eliminates beading. Your aqueous and polar electrolytes are absorbed instantly with zero resistance. The benefits are clear. You get ultra-fast wetting and a massively increased bed surface area for more active sites, all while maintaining a highly conductive, rugged carbon skeleton. Zooming inside the cell, this 3D hydrophilic matrix ensures 100% electrolyte infiltration. This eliminates dead zones and guarantees perfectly uniform mass transfer across the entire electrode. Where can you use it? It's an absolute game changer for flow batteries, aqueous metal batteries, and electrocatalysis. Plus, SCI Materials Hub can perfectly customize the hydrophilicity for you. We offer a wide range of specs. With thicknesses from 0.09 to 0.31 millimeters and high porosity up to 77%, you can easily find the exact fit. Finally, just keep it sealed at room temperature and use clean tweezers. Ready to upgrade your electrodes? Contact SCI Materials Hub today to configure your optimal substrate.